Hey guys, welcome to the second video from GH Automotive Online. In the last video I show you the unboxing from the racing dashboard DO922 from SINCO Tech, and in this video I will show you the functions and the menu from the racing dashboard. Let's go! Hey guys, let's take a look for dashboard, the DPU and the instruction manual. First I will show you the instruction manual. Little things are important. On this side, on the first side, we see the sensors are in the package. We see which sign on DPU or on the dashboard has which function. We see the DPU and his ports, and we see which port has which sensor. The third port is the power for my DPU. The 8th port is water temperature sensor. It's no problem to connect the sensors to the DPU, it's very easily. And the instruction manual is on English and on Chinese. Okay. The first mistake we can do is connect the power to the dashboard and have no power on DPU. Okay, you get this error message, wait linking. We can wait a long time, we have no power on DPU. You have this error code, it's no problem. We disconnect the power from dashboard and disconnect the power from the system, and now we connect the power to the third port on DPU. LED is flashing. We see, okay, DPU has power and work. Okay. Now we connect the power to dashboard. Wait linking, just a moment. Okay, with this beep we can start with dashboard. We have connection from DPU to dashboard, and we see the whole sensor values on this dashboard. First, we have two buttons on right side and two buttons on left side. The right side buttons are to change the values. I show arbor display, and these two buttons are the menu and the back button. On the back button we can change the colors. We have 7 different colors. We can change it. It's very cool. We have for each situation the right perfect color. I will change it to cyan. I think it's the best for the video. And we will start with the menu. In the menu we have 9 points of different selections of different situations to change the LED, to change color, to change the values. And the important thing is what is on my dashboard. On my dashboard we have from 0 to 9 my RPM, my rotation per minute, my motor rotation, my engine rotation, 0 to 9 and 1000. That means we have 1000, 2000, 3000 and so on for my RPM. In the middle we see the speed, kilometer or miles per hour. We have in the upper line actually the date from this day, and we see here the hours on German unit. Here we see the air fuel mixture, means Lambda-Sonde of German. We see the boost power, boost pressure. We have oil pressure. In this value we have water temperature, and very important is my voltage. My voltage is very important for a race car when we drive and we have a damaged generator and the voltage is sinking about 12 volts. We can make an alarm in this dashboard to see, okay, we have a problem with generator, let's look. Okay, on the left button, the upper button and the down button, we push it and come to the menu, and with the right buttons we can change the menu. Okay, we will begin with number 1, set date. In this menu we can set the date from day, month, year to year, month, day, or from month, day, year. I think we make day, month, year. Okay, left button. Now we can change the date, and when I press OK, it goes to the middle, it goes to the year. It's okay. So when we finished, we go back to this menu, and when we finished here, we go back with this button, the upper button, and come to main menu. Okay, we go to number 2, set time, the same, left button, okay, and we can change the hours, the minutes and the seconds. It's okay. This point means we are finished, okay, and we automatically get back to main menu. Okay, number 3, set unit. Set unit means which unit we want to show. Left button. Okay, speed I will show in kilometer per hour. It's possible to change it to miles per hour. Okay, I choose kilometer per hour, left button, okay. Temperature from grad Celsius to Fahrenheit, I choose grad Celsius, left button, okay. Pressure. Pressure from oil, pressure from boost, pressure I will have bar. It's possible to change it to PSI. I choose bar, okay, good. That was the set unit menu. Automatically you see get back to the main menu. Number 4, set colors. In the set colors menu we have an important thing. You see follow speed, follow tacho and follow LED. That means when you follow tacho, the colors from dashboard changed when you have a different RPM. That means at 1000 RPM you have a cyan color. At 4000 RPM you have a blue color. That means follow tacho. Follow speed means the same but not RPM. It means kilometer or miles per hour. When you drive 40 miles per hour you have blue LED. When you drive 50 miles per hour you have green LED, and so on. Nice to have, but I think on race car it's not the best thing. Okay, follow LEDs, that means the LEDs from green, yellow and red follow the RPM and the lights from this shift sign. You have green LED, the display get green. You have yellow LED, the display will get yellow. And you have red LED, the display will have red color. It's nice to have, but I choose the only color cyan. Left button, okay, good. Next, set dimmer. In this menu we can set the contrast, the dimmer from the display, 1, 2 and 3. When I have auto, you have on the back side a sensor, a light depensive resistor. That means when I have night, you see, you have the dimmer on. When you have day, the dimmer is higher. That's cool. I think we choose auto. Okay. Number 6, set LED. Left button. Okay. I will have LED. I will have my shift sign from green, yellow, and red. I will have it off. I will have it on. On. Okay. Left button. So, you see it. The first green LED means at our RPM from 4300, go on. Okay. I choose 4300. Okay. Green LED 2 will go on 4500 RPM. Okay. The yellow LED will go on 5000 RPM. Okay, I can change it with the buttons here. I will have 5000. Okay. The last red LED goes on 6500 RPM. Okay, I will have it. Okay. After this, automatically get back to this. And we have the next point on menu, number 7, set alarm. On this menu, we can set an alarm for speed. That means I will have an alarm, or a beep, a sound goes on 120 miles per hour. Okay. When you will have it, you can change it to this value. Next, RPM on 6500. When the red LED is flashing, I will have a sound, a beep, alarm from my dashboard. Okay, you can change it to 6500. I don't have it. That's cool. Water temperature. On a water temperature from 80 degrees is normal. When I have a water temperature from 120 degrees, I will get an alarm that my coolant is damaged. I must stop my car, I must stop my engine. This is very cool to change it to value I think it's important. The same with oil temperature. I can set a value from temperature for oil. I can set an alarm for oil pressure. That means my oil pump is damaged. I have no oil pressure. I must stop the engine now. I can set an alarm. The next is an alarm for boost pressure. I don't need it. Okay, that's cool. I can change the value from voltage. When I have 12.5 volts is okay. When my generator works and the engine works, I have 14.4 volts. And when I have a defect generator, I have 11 volts. I can set an alarm when I have under 12 volt. I can change it to a value. Okay, that was. Okay, I get back with this button, the upper on the left side. I go back to the menu. Okay, number 8 means we set cylinder. This value, this menu is very important for my RPM. Okay, we can choose the engine cylinder from 1 to 8. That means I have a different size of sensors for my RPM. I can choose a sensor from crankshaft, from camshaft, from my ignition coil, from my injector. I have a lot of sensors I can choose. That means 1 RPM is what RPM on my display. I have the sensor from crankshaft, the speed sensor from crankshaft, and I set it to 1 cylinder. I have the right RPM. You must test it with the different size of cylinder. When you have the right RPM, you have the right value. Okay, 2, 1, okay, set. Last menu, number 9, is speed calculation. That menu is very important for the value of my speed. Okay, if 40, press OK. That means I drive with my car and the original tacho 14 miles per hour or 14 kilometers per hour and press OK. I do this, I drive 40 mph, press OK. And now it's very easy. Now the value from my speed is calculated. That means when I drive 100 mph, that is the correct value. It's a function from my dashboard to have the right speed calculation. Okay, that was it. That's all I show you from the dashboard. I hope it was important for you to see how the dashboard works. In the next video I will show you the function from the DPU, the connection from the whole sensors to the DPU, and the coolest video will be the dashboard in action on a racetrack or on street drive and show how the dashboard works in my car. It's very cool and so on. Have a good time.